Okay, let me give you guys a more challenging example of integration by substitution. So here we're trying to integrate this. Let's visualize this as 1 over x, and then you've got your block tan here, your tan block here. Notice that this is the derivative of this. So after a while, when you've gained your experience, you will have a gut instinct on knowing how to make your substitution. In this case, let u be this bubble here. So let u be natural log of x. Differentiate both sides. So du equals this thing here. You want to get dx on its own. So times both sides by x. That will then give you this. So now, when you place this back into here, that will then give you this. And then you've got your block here. That will then become tan of u. And then you've got this block here, leave that alone. And then notice that this block here and this block here will cancel each other out, giving you tan of u. And I'm expecting you to know this. Tan of u is the same as sine u over cos u. So when you integrate this, if I were to give you, if I were to ask you to differentiate, let me think. If I were to ask you to differentiate natural log of x squared plus x, when you differentiate this, it would be 1 over the bubble, this bubble here, which would be x squared plus x, and then you've got to times the derivative of the bubble itself, which will be 2x plus 1. And then this gets multiplied to the top, giving you 2x plus 1 over x squared plus x. Notice that this is the exact derivative of this. Well, notice that this is near enough the exact derivative of this. So when you come to integrate this, in your mind, think about this. If I were to ask you to differentiate natural log of cos u, when you differentiate this, it would be 1 over cos u, and then times the derivative of the bubble itself, which would be minus sine u. So now notice that this is very close to this, except from this minus. You want to negate the minus, so you would go back to your initial guess and stick a minus in here. So to integrate this, it will be minus natural log cos u. And now remember, I've already done an explanation as why in this case you need to put the absolute value when you integrate. Well, when you integrate 1 over x, it's not simply just natural log of x, because you need to consider the negative strand here. So the way we would get around that is to consider the absolutes. I've already done an explanation as why you need the absolutes here. Well, anyway, to integrate this, it would be minus natural log of the absolute value of cos u plus c. And then earlier we said u was natural log of x. So your final answer is this thing here. Okay.